Hello, I'm going to do a MobiPay soft POS demo. First of all, you will need to go to your Play Store or the Apple iStore and search for MobiPay. And the MobiPay app will look like this, MP. And then install it and open it. Once you've opened the MobiPay app, I'm just going to open it on my phone here. It will ask you for your MobiPay login details, which will be your email address and password. After you've done that, you've logged in, you will enter a PIN number twice, and the PIN is your login. I'm just going to enter my PIN here. And then you click on Soft POS. Just give it a while. And on the settings button, you can enable customer and you can enable a tip for restaurants if you want to, and save it. I'm going to keep it there so you can see. So your first step is to enter a payment reference, whatever that might be, whatever you want to enter as a reference. Click submit. Next. You can enter all the customer detail here if you want to. If not, you can deselect the customer. Go to the next step and you will enter the amount that the customer needs to pay you. And if you want to add a tip, once again, you can either enable or disable the tip in the settings, on the settings icon. If you want to add a tip, you can add a tip for the customer. Submit. That will give you the tip amount and the total amount, and at the top, that's the amount the customer will pay. Once again, you would submit. And then you can take a card or a phone or a smartwatch, tap it on the back of the phone, and this will process the payment. Just giving it a while. There we go. We've paid with a Visa card and our payment was successful. You can then immediately send a receipt to your customer. I'm going to put in my email address here. Send receipt. And the customer will receive his payment receipt. I will get to that just now on the emails. And if you go back and you go to your payment history, you will see there's our payments that's been done. And you can also go to the payment and do a full or a partial refund. I'm just waiting to load. So you can then once again send a message to your customer. It's optional, and the amount you want to refund. As I said, you can do the full amount or you can do less. Select your amount. Done, and submit. Confirm the refund, and you can do a refund on your payment history, and our refund was successful, and there is the receipt for the refund. I just want to show you our email with our receipt was sent to the customer on the email, and there's our payment receipt. You can also use the scanner in the app to validate these receipts that the customers have. So let's just go back to the MobiPay app. Okay, I must log in again. And you can then use the scanner to scan the MobiPay receipts, QR code to validate the receipt. Unfortunately, I cannot scan it now because I'm using my phone, but I'm quite sure you all get the idea. Thank you very much.